Yan, secondary break on the way. 3-ball is Ahamisi. Over to Abueva. The beast lets it fly. Advances the ball. Radcliffe. Nice pass to Abueva. Shakes free, puts it up. Using the dash to screen. 2-man action. Caracol. 3-ball. Money. Here's Ildefonso. Over to Santillan. 3-ball on the way. Carry. Here's Paul Lee. Stops on the dime. Shakes through the defense. Puts it. Ian. Oh, what a beautiful move right here. Wow. Oh my. Oh. Wow. Bunch of new players actually in the game for Coach Yang. Chongson. Mid-range game. Baraka. Back to Radcliffe. Import against import to the reverse. Puts it in. Baraka with his patented great 7-point game. Baraka. Floaters no good. Rat
can deliver the points needed, even being the leading local scorer for MAGNOLIA.
There's a lot of respect from Rainer Shine. That's why we're pressing up on him before he can drive.
4-3 short. Oh, look at the Lucero dying for that rebound.
LaSalle High School and
Okay.
grade school. So at least
Thompson spinning over to Santillan with 4-3. That is Radcliffe barreling his galang. He was red hot earlier on, and he continues to attack the defense. Over to Ahamisi. That's for 4. Attacks the defense. Over to Ahamisi. That's for 4.
Towards the end, so defensively he wants tighter transition defense, and for them to exert.
Well, let it fly. That's another 3-ball and another save. Knockum still with it. Knockum all the way to the reverse. Puts it up.
So well.
Sangalang. We're going to go to Radcliffe down low to the reverse. Knockum still with it. Nice pass to Thompson. 59. Lucero will attack. Lucero to the cup. Puts it. Caracol. Using the Thompson screen. Over to Clarito. That's 4-3.
Takes a shot. If not, he passes to his teammates.
And he's playing defense there on Lucero. Against Datu. This is such a fun matchup. Datu against Lucero.
More to their import because it's got very simple moves and yet very effective. You know, they need someone to really put in the numbers.
Dionisio misses basket. Radcliffe. Banging bodies with Belga. Just too easy. Lement. All the way to the cup. And here comes MAGNOLIA giving Rainer Shine a taste of their own
control and not give, you know, the paint too easy for them.
And Baraka. 6 to shoot here for the white shirts. Baraka. Sangalang. What a dominant.
And Johnson and Thompson is just way too tight there in the post.
And almost a turnover. Yes, it is. Knockum. All the way. Here's Paul Lee.